In this tutorial, I'll show you how to upload documents to a Confluence page. By the end of this video, you'll know several easy ways to add files and share them with your team. First, open the Confluence page where you want to upload your document and click Edit to enter editing mode. The quickest method is to drag and drop your document directly from your computer onto the page. Confluence will automatically upload the file and place it where your cursor is located. You can even drag multiple files at once if you need to upload several documents. Another option is to use the toolbar. Click the Files and Images button, then choose Upload File. Browse your computer, select the document you want to add, and Confluence will upload it to the page. You can also use the / command. Type File, then select Image, Video, or File from the menu. Choose your document from your computer and it will be inserted into the page. After your file is uploaded, you can move it to a different location on the page or change how it's displayed before publishing. When everything looks good, click Publish or Update to save your changes and make the document available to your team. That's how to upload documents to a Confluence page. Thanks for watching.